I also will cover a scenario of a method called as add null query. Okay, and also we can go with the add not null query. Yeah, so these two methods we'll cover today. Okay, so this is my personal developer instance. I will go to incident.list. Okay, so there are total 203 incidents that I have. So what I will, okay, anyways, there are two disk incidents with the blank empty short description, right? So there is no short description, it's empty. Let me just do a show matching to verify. Okay, so is equal to null, all short description is equal to null. There are two incidents. Okay, so what we'll do, uh, we'll create a scenario of get the number of incidents where, yeah, so we'll cover this first. So we'll go to the background scripts. Yeah, so this is just a disclaimer. Yeah, so do avoid using the background scripts in the production instance. And even if you're using the fixed scripts, right? So be very cautious because these scripts have the uh, potency to, manipulate the data, to insert the data, delete the data, modify the data. Okay, so we'll cover this scenario. So we'll try to use this add null query. Okay, to get the number of to get not the number of incidents. Yeah, the number is, I'm referring to the field. Okay, number of incidents meant I'm not referring to like there are two incidents with the empty short description. I'm referring to these numbers. Yeah, so we have to create a script to fetch these numbers. Yeah, okay, so let's do a glide record. And then let's add the query. Adding the query is like adding a filter. Okay, so this is where we need to add, like, so this is the object grinc dot add null query, and which field of this incident table I need to verify which is empty is short description. So I'm asking the system to to go into the incident table, filter out the incidents which have null short description. Okay, so let's query the table. Uh, because there could be more than one incidents, we'll use while. Uh, Now print me the number of these incidents. Okay, let me run the script. No, it has not worked. So see, it should be next, right? While grinc dot next. Yeah. So let me run this now. Okay, so the script is returning me these two values. So one is ending with 7, another is ending with 2. So let me verify. Yes, so these are the two incidents, right? So this scenario we have just completed now to get the number. Basically, you can get any details, instead of number, if I ask for the uh, maybe caller, if I say, so that so we should be able to get the details of that incident field, of that incident record. I mean, so this caller ID, yeah. So this must be the sys ID of this user, Joe employee, right? So if I copy the sys ID, just to verify, see it ending with 699. Uh, this may be different, but I think it is uh, giving some other value. Okay, we'll check on that. So if we are trying to get the number, just to be sure, at least just to complete the basic scenario, so we are getting the numbers. Okay, so this is how we use the add null query. Okay, this like getting the other fields of the same table and then maybe doing some further manipulation. We'll try to cover in the next videos. Now we'll see how to use this. Just I have just added this not here, so this forms another method, add not null query. Yeah. So what this does is exactly opposite to the add null query, right? So add null query. So this method was returning us the records based on the field is empty, and which field, the field that we are passing it, right? That we are adding in the add query. So this is used to fetch the empty values of specific fields that we are passing as parameters. And exactly opposite is this method, add not null query. So what this does is it should return us the records based on the fields which are not empty. So let's test it. Anyways, we are on the incident table. So let me filter out these two incidents which are having short description as empty. So there are 201 incidents, right? So what I will try to do is, because there is no point in getting all these numbers, right? Okay, anyways, we will try that point as well. Practice, it won't take much time. So I would just add here not null. Okay, uh, not null query, short description. So if I run this script, so it is returning me a lot of values, right? But since it's very difficult to count all these, uh, let's try to get if the number is written, we are getting as 201. Yeah. So what we need to do is we'll remove the while. Yeah. Uh, we'll just use the get row count method. Okay. So let's see. Get row count. Yeah. Okay. So we are getting 201. Yes, so these are the 201 records, right? So that means there are 201 incidents which are having something populated in the short description field. Okay. Uh, so these were like a simple scenario on the add null query and add not null query. Yeah, hope this helps you. Thank you.